Hey guys, welcome back to iConceptPhones. Today we're going to test the Lensgo 318D, which was sent to me by Lensgo. It's a wireless mic for multi-purpose use. You can use it to record your voice with your camera. Next to this, you can use it for live chats while gaming or just for calling with your phone or laptop, thanks to the integrated headset. We get here a big box with the model branding 318D on the front with the image of this product. Inside we find the manual in English and Chinese. There is also a USB-A cable included, which has 3 USB-C ports for charging all the 3 devices at the same time. Here we get the receiver, which you need to plug to your device, for instance your smartphone. Next to the USB-C port for charging, it has 3 LED lights, which indicates the successful power and transmitter connections. It has a 3.5mm TRRS connection, which you can use on your phone. If your device does only support TRS connection, like cameras, you get here an adapter. Furthermore, we get 2 transmitters, which have both a USB-C port for charging. It has an integrated mic, which we will test later in this video. What I really like is that we also get an integrated headset, which you can use in game session or for a Zoom call. It works simple. You grab the receiver and plug it to your phone. Then you grab the transmitter and put it on your neck and power it up. Put the headset to your right ear and you're ready to go. Thanks to the included TRRS to TRS adapter, you can use it with your camera too. Not to forget to mention that you can also use it with your laptop or phone. I tested both and it did work great. You just listen to the audio quality of the Lensgo 318D right now. I tested the audio quality before and it's pretty good for gaming and online meetings. For sure, this isn't built for professional use on cameras, but you can do it. I also tested it with my phone and had a Google Meet call. The voice was clear and the integrated headphones are very useful. In conclusion, we get here a multi-purpose wireless mic which you can use on various devices such as phones, tablets, laptops or even camera. The included TRRS to TRS cable is a great add-on which allows you to use it with all that devices. Furthermore, it's easy to use. Just plug the receiver to your device and power the transmitter. All in all, it's a good multi-purpose wireless microphone which allows you to use on various devices by plug and play. Comment below what you think about the sound quality and if it's something for you. Also, you can find all the Amazon links in the descriptions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.